next I'll be showcasing the recent critical vulnerability released affecting Confluence Server and data centers. This critical vulnerability will allow code execution for all unauthenticated users by simply sending a post request to the vulnerable host. For our lab setup, we'll be running a Docker instance of Confluence version 7.5.2, as well as just redirecting all traffic through a burp proxy, listening on port 80 and redirecting to port 8090. For the script, we'll just be running a simple Python script, sending the simple post request, where you can see we've set our vulnerable URL being our localhost, the vulnerable endpoint, as well as the command that will execute on the server side. In this case, we'll just be running a call command back to our server with the path vulnerable, declaring we have successful code execution on the server side. So to get us started, I'll just set up a listener listening on port 9001, which was our call port. And then we can run our Python script. And you can see we have successful connection back from our vulnerable host, in this case being our Docker instance. Also just viewing the burp proxy logs, we can see we've sent a post request to this vulnerable endpoint on host localhost, with the payload being our call command, which we should be able to see here.